Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Coos County in northern New Hampshire, northeastern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Littleton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Berlin, Littleton, Lancaster, Bethlehem, Franconia, Pinkham Notch, Mount Washington, Carroll, Gorham, Lisbon, Jefferson, Bass, Dalton, Jackson, Dummer, Whitefield, Randolph, Monroe, Lyman, and Sugar Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Gray, Maine. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Coos and Grafton. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KZZ40 broadcasting on a frequency of 162.
That went off. That went off. Alright, they all went off.
Coastal waters from
Awesome.